It's winter time again in Minnesota, and it's time for Stories for the Season. Hello, I'm your impromptu host, Leroy Harris from the Ulm Public Library, and we're very grateful to partner with NUCAT, the State Street Theater Company, the Brown County Historical Society, and the Grand Center for Arts and Culture. Each year in Stories for the Season, we bring you a selection of stories and vignettes related to winter and the holiday season that center around the theme. You may notice I'm not in the library at the moment. I'm actually over at the Grand Center for Arts and Culture, and we're very excited because our theme this year, Holiday Recipes, will involve us using the Grand's kitchen. We hope you enjoy the different segments about holiday recipes taken from old cookbooks in the archives of the Historical Society. There are lots of interesting directions and quirks, as well as some small stories to go along with them, and we'll be doing taste tests of a lot of the recipes too. We hope you enjoy this year's Stories for the Season.
Hi, welcome to Stories from the Season. My name is April. Today I will be creating the recipe Molasses Christmas Cookies by Josephine Redman. Her ingredients include a half a cup of lard, a 1/4 cup butter, 1 cup molasses, a 1/2 cup boiling water, 4 cups sifted flour, although I didn't end up using all of the flour, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 teaspoons soda, and a 1/2 cup of sugar. So the instructions include melt the lard and butter, and then add the molasses and water and mix. And so I mixed it until it seemed dissolved and well incorporated, and the mixture was still a little warm. Add 2 cups flour sifted with the spices, soda, and the sugar. And then add additional flour to make the soft dough. And I also sifted the additional flour, but I think I only used probably about 3 cups total, so that was just 1 additional cup. Then you chill the dough half an hour or longer, which I didn't do today, and I also didn't roll it into balls, which is what her instructions include next. She says roll into balls size of marbles, or roll and cut with fancy cookie cutters. I just used 2 spoons to drop them onto the pan, and that seemed to work okay, but if you really want an even shape, you would want to do the chilling and rolling into balls or cut them out. You'll bake in a moderate 350 degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. I'm not sure what is meant by moderate. We just put it right at 350 and that worked. And ours baked for about 12 minutes, the smaller ones. And she notes that these are very, very good, so we will see.
So, molasses Christmas cookies.
Yes.
Okay. And they're still
A little
got some soft to
yeah.
it. Yeah.
Crunchy outside.
Mhm. Yeah. Okay. There's the ginger.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Yeah, it's kind of like a back and forth between the molasses and the ginger. Oh, it's really good.
Mm-hmm. I almost think I thought I put in a lot of ginger, but I almost think you could put in a little more.
I do. Give it a try. We hope you're enjoying this year's Stories for the Season, a collaboration between the Ulm Public Library, NUCAT, the State Street Theater, the Grand Center for Arts and Culture, and the Brown County Historical Society. This year, we'd also like to give a special thank you to the Friends of the Ulm Public Library for providing all the ingredients for the recipes that we tried out. And if you'd like to try them for yourself at home, give it a go. See how they work for your holiday party.